Bobs?
Hello. Going on a road trip too.
Hi guys! Today is January 1, 2019 and we are in the car on our way to IKEA just because we are bored. We don't know what to do. It's first day of the year and the weather is nice outside, so we decided to just roam around, road trip, go to Yes Island, IKEA. Always a good idea.
Ah, nice one, nice one, nice one.
Taking advantage of the weather. It's so nice here. Wearing my sweater.
She is so OA with her sweater. Literally not cold outside. Covering herself in everything that she could find in the closet. I am hot. I'm in shirt and a t-shirt and a shorts since the beginning of December. She's been cooking.
So we have arrived here in IKEA. We're just trying to find the parking and then we'll see. We'll go inside.
So we have arrived. Now we're gonna go into IKEA and see what we can get.
He got lost.
This one. Plates and stuff. What's that? Oh, it's a frying pan. How much is that?
It's good enough to slap someone's face.
Oh, very wide.
Very wide.
So guys,
Oh my god.
what's up? What?
Properly.
What? I am holding it properly. Oh, okay. Hello. Hi guys, we are going home now. We don't want to say hi. I don't know, I can't talk properly. It's like, I don't know. So we're going home now. We just finished from IKEA. We came here when the light was out. Now we're going home and the light is down.
Turn it up.
I don't know what I am doing. I just feel retarded right now.
Back to the vloggers out there who manage just vlog everything.
Yeah, because it's really difficult just
Everything they do.
to talk like naturally and then record you and do whatever it is you're supposed to do, because I don't know how to do it. I'm feeling so awkward right now, just holding this camera up and trying to record myself. I feel like I have to be perfect, you know. I cannot be anything flawless, and I really want to pee. I should have peed when we were inside. Let's go back, or else I will die. So no, I'm going to vlog myself peeing, just to see how. I have to show you the biology of how pee comes out of the penis.
Just turn off the phone. It's so
very
embarrassing.
magical, you know.
Just stop.
What? It's not embarrassing. What are you laughing about? I am being natural right now. Then you do like this and then you dance and everything is okay, you know. That's how. What?
It's so embarrassing.
What is this stupid break? Let me see my stupid break.
With Ibrahim.
Hi guys.
Oh, just try to.
Fuck.